friends and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Irfan Rashid is speaking. The topic of my today's short lecture is the new elected American President, Mr. Donald Trump. In this regard, my welcoming remarks. We, the people of Pakistan, especially the PTI workers, wholeheartedly and warmly welcome the new elected American President, Mr. Donald Trump. The decisions made by him in his first address to the nation are very liked by the people of Pakistan, Muslim Ummah, and democratic people of many countries. We wish that this second tenure will bring peace and harmony throughout the world. On this historic occasion, and the occasion having profoundly glaring and shining moment decisions on humanitarian basis put forth by Mr. Donald Trump are welcomed. He has given pardon to the people arrested in case of Capitol Hill incident, the incident which has similarity with the incident of May 9, which was occurred here in Pakistan, and the blames were put upon the PTI leader, Mr. Imran Khan, workers, and the democratic majority. If the similarity of these incidents obviously put impression that this was conspiracy made by US as well as the ex-government of Mr. Biden, his Secretary of State Blinken, for controlling Mr. Imran Khan, who had won once again in Pakistan in election of February 8 last year, 24. He got over 180 National Assembly seats under Form 45, whereas Form 47 were prepared for PMLN, PPP, MKM, and their allied parties to bring them in National Assembly and provinces where they had no majority, no significance, no importance, political background. Even PML had lost all its seats in Punjab, whereas the daughter of Mr. Nawaz Sharif is ruling in Punjab as Chief Minister, and his brother Shahbaz Sharif is performing as Prime Minister, and Mr. Asif Zardari, head of PPP, is looking as President of Pakistan on basis of Form 47. The election symbol bat was snatched by the former Chief Justice of Pakistan, Qadi Faiz Issa, and blames were put against him in various courts, but no petition was put before the justice to show that these elections were independent. Mr. Donald Trump, we are optimistic, confident that due to this second era, Muslim Ummah will face no unnecessary war. Israeli dictatorial ruler PM Netanyahu, his defense foreign minister, chiefs of all forces, had brought bloodshed of Palestinian, and this genocide of Palestinian clearly reflects that Mr. Netanyahu wanted expansionism for his country, Israel. This undue expansionism for Israel for capturing further Palestinian territories which are legally of Palestine must be faced legally by your good self. Mr. Donald Trump, it is right that the policies of tension and aggravation have become hopeless and dangerous for national integrity of any country. But Mr. Imran Khan is an honest, hard-working, and popular leader of Pakistan. He is still in Adiala jail in view of false cases against him. We are confident that this tenure will bring real democracy for Pakistan. You have expressed your right decisions that you will work against political establishment of America as well as undemocratic process in various countries, especially in Pakistan and other countries. The former president of America, Mr. Joe Biden, his Jew Minister of State, Secretary of State Blinken, wanted to kill Muslims, to occupy Palestine and other Arab territories. Why? Is this politics? Was it their right to kill innocent Muslims, their children, their fathers, their mothers, men, women? The destruction of Gaza, Palestine, is looked that it will take at least 20 years to rebuild Gaza and other Palestinian territories. Mr. Donald Trump, we are confident that your positive policies for establishing democracy in Pakistan as well as in America and other Muslim countries will bring real positive results in this regard. We are confident that you will work hard to restrict any further undemocratic process in Pakistan. Thanks.